Hey guys, Bryan here from To Be Clean Auto Detailing. Today's video is another installment into the Giving Back series. So what is the Giving Back series? Well, I was blessed with the opportunity by a company called NanoPro, being given a bunch of products in hopes to be able to turn that into a blessing for a nonprofit organization of my choice. And I chose none other than the Marissa's Mission Foundation. The Marissa's Mission Foundation was founded on tragedy, and they took that and they turned it into a lifelong mission to give back to those in their position, to give them the love and the support that those families needed, the children and the parents. There are many ways that we all can help these nonprofits that give back to the communities, especially this one. One is by simply sharing this video. Two is, if you guys have the means, to donate. We're going to leave some links down below so you guys can have quick and easy access to the donation. If you guys choose to donate, you guys will be entered into a drawing for a Visa gift card, a detailing kit if you prefer, or 50% off one of my services. Other ways you guys could do to help give back is, if you guys are in need of auto detailing services, contact me at tobecleanautodetailing.com and schedule a service, and this whole month I will be giving proceeds to this foundation. So let's get into the ceramic coating of the plastics, rubber, and trim. So here's another ceramic coating by NanoPro called Plastic, and on this running board here I was doing an experiment at the beginning of the year, and here's what the trim looked like original, 10 years, nice and faded, oxidized, all the plasticizers removed from the surface. And then over here, this was used with a product called Solution Finish to bring back some of the color, so you can see the difference between old faded white oxidized to a little cleaner look. And then lastly, on this, the third section here, that was done with the Solution Finish as well, faded trim returned to new. However, I topped it with a ceramic coating, but it was not a ceramic coating that was not designed for trim. That's why they make glass trim, plastics, fabric, and all that. They design these to be chemically formulated to work to the best of the substrates. So let's just show you the capabilities of what the plastic can do. So if you open their little kit, pretty cool. They got a little knockout again. I've already taken this apart a little bit, so I'm just going to leave one foam block here. And I'm going to take one of these suede applicators. So what's pretty cool is you can just leave that bottle here. So what I'm going to do, open this bottle, first time I've ever opened it. I'm going to drizzle a good amount on this the first time to prime it. And then as you can see, the amazing darkness and the richness that can be brought out from just the coating alone. Not to worry about these little fuzzies, they can knock them off in a minute. So that's that one spot. Let's check out the next spot that was rejuvenated with a trim solution. Now we're going to top it to see how much more darkness can come out with this coating. So if you can see, just a little darker than that. But this did a really good job of not only rejuvenating the colors, but it will also leave protection for a couple years. Now lastly, here's the one that was protected with a trim restoration product, but then also topped with a non-plastic, non-rubber trim ceramic coating. Let's put it right on here so you guys can see the nice improvement. And check that out, that looks brand new to me. So the best part of this, not only will it darken the plastics again, but it'll also make it stay protected for a lot longer than a standalone product like Solution Finish, and even topping it with a ceramic coating that's not designed for trim. So here's some unfinished trim on the cowl part in between the hood and the glass. And let's see if we can tell where I applied the trim coating. And here's the finished product of the entire running board side. As you see, I darkened it up. That first spot that had no product on there at all, darkened it up. The middle product had a trim restoration on it, and then I coated it. And this one was trimmed and then coated as well for a nice, smooth, shiny, amazing dark and rich texture. Added a lot of depth to this color. So there's that quick little process of properly cleaning and applying the product and the dramatic differences. I know it was kind of weird because it had one section that was not touched at all. It had another section that had a product called Solution Finish, which is a trim restoration product. And then the last one had the same restoration product topped with a ceramic coating that was not designed for trim. So you can see that it didn't really have much of a difference in the 4 or 5 months that it's been out in the weather. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet of the dramatic changes that you can take your 10-year-old plus vehicle and turn it back to looking new again. Again, I thank you guys for this support. If you guys can check out the MRSAMissionFoundation.org and check out their journey, it'll be life-changing. God bless, guys.